Students, hope all are fine. In the previous class we have discussed metals and non-metals. Today we are going to see a new lesson, electricity. The importance and the need of electricity you know very well. We can't imagine our life without power for a single day. Am I right? Yes. Electricity can be harnessed from water and sunlight, wind, from coal, and also from the atom due to nuclear fission. Dear ones, today we are going to see what is electric current, what is an electric circuit, and what is a switch, and some of the terms related to it. Dear ones, what is a switch? You know very well. You can see it in your home. When the switch is on, the bulb will glow or any appliances will function. When we off the switch, it will be stopped. So, a switch is a connecting link between a cell and a bulb. Okay? The next term what we are going to see is what is an electric circuit. An electric circuit is a continuous and closed path of electric current. Okay, dear ones, to connect or to get an electric circuit, we need certain components. One is wires, electrical wires. All the electrical wires made up of metals because they are good conductors of electricity, and bulb or any other appliances, that battery. And key is none other than the switch. Here I have drawn a electric circuit. It is wire. This is battery. This symbol is E, and this is bulb. This is resistor, and this is ammeter. Look here. It is a continuous and closed path. It is continuous, but it is closed one. Okay, now there are some symbols to use the components. For example, battery, you know, what do we use in the torchlight or in remote? If one battery is there means, that is one thing is there means it is called cell. The small line indicates negative and long line indicates the positive. But here you like, I have connected three cells. Now it is called battery. And this is the symbol of key. Key is under the switch. If there is a dot at the center, the switch is on. If there is no dot, the switch is off. And this is the symbol of bulb. And this is resistor. What is resistor? You can see it later. Now this symbol is called ammeter. Here once, I am showing the ammeter what we use in our lab. Here there is a needle, and suppose when wires are connected to the circuit, it will move and it will show how much amount of current is flowing through the circuit. It will show. Okay, it is denoted with the symbol of this one. Now another components, let us see that another one is, this is voltmeter and this is galvanometer. What it is used for voltmeter? It is used to measure the amount of potential difference in the circuit. What is potential difference? We can see now. And this is galvanometer. It is used to test whether current is present in the circuit or not. It is just like the tester what do we use. Have you seen electrician? They use the tester. or otherwise you people also will use while handling electrical appliances. The another one, now what I am showing, this is rheostat. Okay, another name for rheostat is variable resistance. What is it used for? It is used to regulate the current without changing potential difference. For example, we can adjust in this way. Without changing potential difference, we can regulate the current in the circuit. These are the some of the components. How they are symbolized, let us see. Okay, this is ammeter. Now, what about voltmeter? Voltmeter is symbolized like this. Galvanometer is this one, and this is resistor. Then key, you know, this is key. Then battery and everything, you know very well. Okay, dear ones. Now let us see what is that electric current. Electric current is expressed as the amount of flow of charges in particular area per unit time. When electricity was found out in the earlier days, they believed that it is flow of positive charges. See, along the direction of positive charges, current flows. That means current flows opposite to the direction of the electrons. That's why always while directing the current, it will always moves from positive terminal. This is the direction of the electric current. Okay, electric current is defined as the amount of charges flowing in a particular area in unit time. So, current is indicated as the letter I and charge is Q in time. Okay, this is the equation for electric current. Okay, after physics, you know, there will be a unit for everything. The unit for current is ampere. And what about the unit for charge? It is coulomb. And time, you know, it is second. So, A is equal to C by small s, or I can write 1A is equal to 1C by 1S. So, 1 ampere is constituted as 1 coulomb of charge flows in a particular area in time 1 second. Okay, there are many other units for current. Suppose 1 ampere is equal to 1000 milliampere, you know. Okay, dear ones, you have learned one formula, that is I is equal to Q by T. So, in 1 coulomb of charge, there are 1.6 into 10 power 80 electrons are present. Okay, in 1 coulomb of charge and 1.6 into 10 power 80 electrons are present. Now, based on this equation, we can solve a problem. For example, a current 0.8 ampere is passed through a circuit in time 2 minutes. Calculate the charge. Suppose, for example, calculate the charge. Okay, how will you do? After I am writing given data. What is given? Current is given. Easily you can identify by looking this unit. Now the current is 0.8 ampere. That means I is given. And time is given 2 minutes. Is it? Okay. Actually, the standard unit for time here is second. So, you have to convert minute into second So what will you do? You have to multiply with 60. Now it is 120 second. What about the formula? Next step you are writing formula. I is equal to Q by T. We have to find the Q, is it? So Q is equal to, I is how much? 0.8, T is 120. Okay, here if you are multiplying with, I am leaving 0 and I am multiplying with 12 and 8, 16, 1, 9 and I can add 1 0. So 960, and here after it is 1 decimal, that is here full stop. So if you are putting full stop in, the answer will be 96 coulomb. It is limited by the letter C. Dear ones, hope you understood. Today what you have learned? What is an electric current, an electric circuit, what is switch, and the expression for the electric current and symbols of some of the components. What is potential difference? We can see in the next class.